Hey, what is going on, everybody? It is Rob with Diligent Dev, and today we're going to be talking about the best Chrome extensions for developers. So stay tuned and we'll get right into it. The first extension we have is ColorZilla. Now, this is fantastic for getting the perfect colors on your website. I particularly use this a lot when I get tickets from UX designers and they don't include the colors in their mockups. So I'll show you what this is all about. If we go to Yahoo, we can go up here and click this little icon. We can pick color from page, and you can hover over and you see up here that it's giving you the exact color hex and the RGB that you're looking for when you hover over a color. So let's go ahead and pick one. Let's just say this green right here. I'll click it. It'll copy it to the clipboard. And then if you ever want to go back and look at it, you can go up here. I usually just go to color picker and it has my color history of all the colors that I have chosen. Our next extension is Site Palette. Now, have you ever gone to a website and just loved the color scheme that they used on it or the color palette that they've used? This extension will automatically grab all those colors and put them into a nice, easy to read format for you. So let me show you what I mean. Go to YouTube, click on Site Palette. And you see it opens up a new page and is giving me all of the different colors, and it is allowing me to open them on different websites and also copy them to my clipboard. So it's very easy to take a color scheme or a color palette that you find on a website and go ahead and apply it to your own. Our next extension is JSON Viewer. Now, if you're a developer, you've definitely worked with JSON at some point in your career. Now, when you go to a URL, JSON typically appears like this, and there's not much that you can do with it. But I'm going to go ahead and enable JSON Viewer, and we're going to come back, and I'm going to reload the page. And you'll see that now it looks so much better. You've got color formatting. You can also toggle individual elements, and it just makes working with JSON a lot easier in the browser. Moving right along, our next extension is Font Ninja. And have you ever gone to a website and just loved the choices that they made for typography? Well, this allows you to pull down all of the typography and fonts that they're using on their website very quickly. Let me show you what I mean. So you go to a website, you'll click on Font Ninja, and it's automatically going to tell me exactly what they're using. But if you hover over each one, it's going to show you exactly what font it is, the font size, the line height, the spacing, and the color. So you can mimic exactly what you're seeing on a lot of different websites, and it's a fantastic way to choose your fonts that you're going to be using on your own. The next extension is Octotree, and if you use GitHub, this is a great way to see your project structure exactly how you would see it in your IDE. And let me show you what I mean. So inside of GitHub, you'll get this little tab over here, and instead of having to go through and click into here and look to see what's in here, now you can just open up Octotree and expand these folders to see exactly what is in each one. And if you click on one, it'll go ahead and open it up for you. So it's a very easy way to look at the structure of a GitHub project and find the files that you're looking for. So the last and final extension we're going to talk about today is Daly 2.0. Now, since you're here, I'm going to assume that you're interested in learning more about development. So go ahead and install this. Once you install it, you're going to be prompted. It's going to ask you what your interests are. After that, every single time you open a new tab, it's going to show you things that you're interested in and give you some articles where you can learn more about development, because if you're a developer and you're not learning, you're getting left behind. So that's going to wrap it up for our 6 best Chrome extensions for developers. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and shoot them to me below the video. And as always, happy coding.